Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link a LinkedIn account to our Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once Facebook is open, you simply need to select your page. So once you selected your page, you simply need to click on About. So once you are on the About section, you simply need to scroll and here you can see Add a social link. Click on that and click on Add a social link. So here you can select LinkedIn. Okay, and here you need to enter your username. So I'm going to enter my username and click on Save. So this is a process by which you can add or link a LinkedIn account to a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.